Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix overfilled game crashing on Android phone or not launching, lagging, freezing, not opening or other issues on Android devices. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method what you need to do is to restart your phone once. So this is an important step, so don't miss it. Simply need to click on, you have to press the power plus volume up button and you will get the restart option. You have to simply select and restart your device. It may be differ from phone to phone, so you simply need to restart your phone once and then check if you can play the game. If not, next is to check for update. So make sure your game have an updated version. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for Overfield, and here you can see if any update is available. If yes, you have to update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should also check whether internet connection is stable or not. So make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly without any fluctuations. If you are using Wi-Fi, go to mobile data or do vice versa and then check if you can launch the game. Next is to force stop in the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. Now here you can see force stop. Click on it and then click on OK. Now this will force stop the game. After that, launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, you should also clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache and after that launch the game and see if it's working. You should also check whether your phone OS needs any update. For that, go to settings. Now go below. Here you have to check for system update. If any update is available, update your phone OS to latest version and after that launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, then the last solution is to reinstall overfilled game once again. So for that, you have to press and hold the game icon over here. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling, again go to Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, search for overfilled game and here you can see install. You have to click on install option and after that again try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you.